10 daily phrases, real British English, heard everywhere, but most learners never pick them up. Can you spot them before they're revealed?
This is your fluency check. Miss one, and you're learning English with the brakes on.
Hey! Ever wanted to sound more natural in English, like you just strolled out of a London cafe?
Then stick around because we've got 10 super useful daily expressions. These aren't from a dusty textbook. Real Brits use them every single day.
Exactly. And the best part, you'll hear many of them in your favorite shows. If you're using Fluent, you can even save them as flashcards directly from movie scenes.
Take your time. Say this when someone's rushing or stressing out. Take your time means relax, no pressure. It's polite, kind, and very British.
I use it with friends, students, even with delivery drivers when they're late. It makes people feel safe and calm. Try it. In one ear and out the other. When someone tells you something and you immediately forget it, that's in one ear and out the other. We all have those moments, especially during long meetings or Monday mornings.
Pro tip: if new vocabulary keeps flying out of your brain, Fluent's flashcard system can help lock it in. At this rate, you say this when something's continuing in a way that's leading somewhere fast. Like, at this rate, I'll be fluent in a month. Optimistic, right?
Or, at this rate, I'll turn into a cup of tea. That's me, after 5 today. A win-win situation. This is when everyone benefits. Like when your boss lets you work from home and you wear pajamas to meetings.
It's a win-win. You're comfy and they get your best work. Same with language learning. If it's fun and effective, it sticks. That's our whole thing with Fluent. It's meant to be. Sounds romantic, right? It means something was destined to happen, like when two people meet in a bookshop and fall in love, or when you randomly click on this podcast and it changes your English game forever.
Call it fate. Call it destiny. Call it meant to be. Wait and see. You say this when you have no control over a situation, like when you're waiting for exam results or a reply from your crush. There's nothing to do but wait and see.
Sounds calm, but deep down, we're all screaming inside to think something over. Sometimes you just need time to think, to decide, like choosing a job offer or picking which series to binge next.
If it's something serious, say, I'll think it over. If it's just choosing dinner, maybe don't be that dramatic. To put your mind at rest. This one's all about easing worry. You text your mom after a long trip, I'm home safe. Boom, you put her mind at rest.
When you need peace of mind, hearing from someone helps. Or just rewatch your favorite comedy with subtitles. And guess what? Fluent shows both languages so you can chill and learn. To fill someone in means to update someone on what they missed. Like, hey, I missed the meeting. Can you fill me in?
This one's great in both casual and business English. Sounds natural, friendly, and efficient. Keep your options open. Don't commit too early. Stay flexible. If you're job hunting or dating, this one's your motto.
Or if you're trying different ways to practice English, keep your options open until you find what clicks. Pro tip: movies plus Fluent equals fire foo. Ready for your challenge? How many phrases can you remember from this episode?
I was trying to decide on a university, so I kept my options open. Dad gave advice, but it went in one ear and out the other. He said, just take your time, no rush. I told my friend, fill me in if I miss anything. Then I thought, let me think it over. At this rate, I'll make the right call. In the end, I got in. It was meant to be a total win-win situation. So if you're stressing, put your mind at rest. Sometimes you just gotta wait and see.
Want to keep these phrases alive in your brain? Use Fluent to save and review them while watching Netflix or Disney+.
Because learning from real life, that's the only way to make English stick. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to smile when you speak. See you next week, legend!